Greetings, y'all. I wanted to go over your surface area notes and then kind of give you an idea of what to do on your surface area homework assignment. Hold on, let me make sure I have another video for this. All right, so to piggyback on the video prior, which was actually recorded last year, this is your homework and this is what's going to be due in Skyward. And these red statements are what's going to be graded in Skyward because the riddle is easy to do. I mean, that's very easy. But we need to know how to find lateral area, and I want you to be able to calculate these independently. So if I were to draw this out as a bunch of squares, they would be 2 feet by 2 feet, right? The lateral area is only the faces and not the bases. So I don't want the shaded ones. Let me make that more of a square. So I don't want the shaded ones, but again, this is 2 feet. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles that are 2 feet by 2 feet. Those are the dimensions. So area equals base times height, which is 2 times 2 here, but I've got 4 of them. So I'm going to do 2 times 2 and then times 4 to get the lateral area here. And that will be my answer. So again, 2 times 2 times 4. This one, find the area of one of the biggest rectangles. Here is the biggest rectangle. I only want this area. Only. Okay, I want to be able to distinguish it. Now, if I would have asked for the base area, then that would have been these two over here, but I don't want these. I just want the biggest rectangle. Locate the dimensions, find the area. That's it. That's your answer. Number 3, find lateral area only. Again, it's just like this one up here. I only want these 4 faces. I don't want these bases. No bases. So area, I need some room, equals base times height. The base and the height of this square is the same. So, so it's 2.2 times 2.2. Then you'll get your answer here. That's for one of them. Then you need to multiply by 1, 2, 3, by 4. So this will be 2.2 times 2.2 times 4. For number 4, it says find total surface area. So I want all of the faces and the bases. So I'm going to draw these 3 rectangles like I should have demonstrated in class. And I'm actually going to do it on the back, or no, you know what? I'm going to do it on, oopsies, on a sticky note. Okay, so number 4. I'm going to start with the top rectangle, which is this one by this one by this one by this one. So that is 14 by 28. Now, this is not drawn to scale. And then I have 2 of those, so times 2. Then another rectangle on the side is 10 by 28. And then I have 2 of those. And then the last rectangle is this one over here, which is 14 by 10. And then I have 2 of those. So I'm going to write A equals base times height, A equals base times height, and A equals base times height. And then I'm going to multiply it by 2 because I want 2 of those. So I'm going to do 28 times 14, get an answer. 28 times 10, get an answer. And 14 times 10. And then I'm going to get an answer. Once I get an answer, I'm going to multiply by 2. And then I'm going to add all of these up to get the total. Again, multiply this, you get an answer, multiply this, you get an answer, multiply this, you get an answer. Take this answer times 2. Take this answer times 2. Take this answer times 2. Okay? That's for number 4. Also, I told you if you watch this video, you get the extra credit. The secret code word is beluga. Beluga. Write this word on your paper. Bring it to me in class tomorrow for 10 extra credit points. All right, number 5. Find the total surface area. I want all 6 of these squares. 6 squares means I need area equals base times height times 6. So the base and the height is 1.8. So again, for number 5, area equals base times height, 1.8 times 1.8. Get an answer, then multiply by 6. Then that will be my total surface area. The bell is about to ring, so pardon in advance. And then number 6, find lateral area only. So that's this rectangle and this rectangle here. Lateral is only 4 rectangles. So that's a 2 by 4 and a 4 by 1.5. 2 by 4 and a 4 by 1.5. And then I have times 2 times 2. So area equals base times height. Area equals base times height. Base times height times 2. Base times height times 2. You get an answer over here. You're going to add it to your answer over here. And then that will be the answer that you put into Skyward. Okay? I hope this helps. I hope you got the extra credits word. Rewind if you didn't. Write it down on your paper and show it to me. I'll be accepting it through Thursday, April 14th. Bye. Have a good one.